Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Dunkin Bagel Bites. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, active dry yeast, warm water, a touch of sugar, and salt for the dough. For the filling, grab some cream cheese and any desired seasonings. Don't forget a baking sheet and parchment paper to make baking a breeze. Let's get started on this delicious journey. Now, let's get our bagel dough ready. Start by activating your yeast in warm water with a little sugar. This helps it bloom. Then, in a large bowl, combine your flour and salt. Gradually add the yeast mixture, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Next, knead the dough for 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. This step is crucial for that perfect bagel texture. Time to shape our bagel bites. Divide your dough into small, 1-inch pieces. Roll each piece into a neat little ball. If you want to add a filling, gently press an indentation into the center. Now, for that classic bagel chew, boil your bites in simmering water for 30 to 60 seconds per side. This quick boil helps create a crispy crust and chewy interior. Finally, it's time to bake these delicious treats. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange your boiled bagel bites on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until they're beautifully golden brown and slightly crisp. Let them cool for a few minutes, then serve warm with your favorite cream cheese or a tasty dipping sauce. Enjoy your homemade Dunkin Bagel Bites.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.